as you know, we stand at the crossroads of history and future. It is imperative that we recognize the pivotal role of culture in shaping sustainable societies. The dialogue of ancient capital civilizations is not only a gathering but a commitment to foster a global dialogue that transcends borders and unites us in our shared humanity. Let us remember that each city has a unique song to sing to the world. We must continue to promote in-depth dialogue between different cultures, enhancing mutual learning and fostering global cultural development.